The Middle East doesn't work. It never has. Iraq, Syria, Iran and Turkey. While one group rules, the other bleeds. And when the oppressed rise, they become the oppressors. It's not about justice at all, it's all about power. And everyone will only cry genocide when it's about their people. Muslims around the world will scream Palestine. Okay, right now today, the HTS militants of Syria are attacking the Druze people. They've brought in foreign fighters from Chechnya, Uyghurs, Afghanistan, flown into Syria to terrorize the people of that land. They're threatening the Kurds, have already attacked the Alawites. When Assad was oppressing them, they were loud. Today, silence. Guess what? The Kurds were calling out Assad's crimes and they're calling out your crime. We don't pick sides based on sects. We look for justice and truth. Islam itself says no compulsion in religion, but your clerics preach war. Your leaders twist your faith to divide you. That's not Islam, that's manipulation. The Kurds are always fighting for all sects of all religions. Muslims, Christians, Yazidis, Jews, atheists, we all live side by side. No forced beliefs, no second-class citizens, no disparity in gender. We fight to prove that religion and freedom can coexist. They call us nationalists for wanting our own country. They will kill to protect the colonial borders that France and Britain gave them. We want a state where we can prove to you that we can do what you couldn't, and that scares you.